Want to be loosey-goosey, but not too loosey-goosey. Okay. All right, ready? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to tackle a fermented salsa, which is a really simple way to preserve your tomatoes for at least a few months. At this point, right before I dive into my wine harvest, I'm just not looking for any new hobbies, so today I'm just gonna do a real simple ferment. So let's just get started. For this salsa, you only need 6 ingredients. 2 pounds of tomatoes, 1 medium red onion, 2 jalapeños, 1.5 tablespoons of coarse salt, 8 cloves of garlic, 1 lemon, and 1 lime. Dice the tomatoes to your size preference. Peel and chop your onion. Smash and mince your garlic. Juice your lemon and lime. Mince your jalapeno into pretty small pieces. Be careful with the jalapenos because if you get the oil into your eyes or touch sensitive parts of your skin, it does burn, I know from experience, so make sure to wash your hands really well here. Mix all your fresh ingredients together, then add your lemon and lime juice. Next up, add the salt. I prefer a little more salt, but you can add a little less. Make it to taste. Mix well. Once you're all mixed up, scoop your ingredients into your jars. I used a quart jar and a pint jar. Okay, now you're going to want to pour all the remaining liquid into the jars. This is called the brine. Make sure your salsa is fully submerged into the brine for proper fermentation. Okay, you're almost done. Now's the time to add your fermentation lid. This allows for gas release while keeping oxygen out. Okay. You can get these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Find a shady spot in your house somewhere and leave it for 3 days. After 3 days, get your chips and you're ready. But this salsa will also hold for up to 2 to 3 months. Just keep it refrigerated. Cheers until next time. Cheers until next time.